Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome T2000, a powerful fusion of long-haul trucking muscle and modern RV luxury. At first glance, the T2000 stands out with its bold aerodynamic design, inherited from Kenworth's iconic sleeper trucks, but upgraded with a streamlined motorhome conversion. The cab-forward shape and sloping hood aren't just for show. They improve fuel efficiency and handling, which is impressive for a vehicle this size. Under the hood, the T2000 comes with a 15-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, pushing out up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That means it's more than capable of towing your gear, trailers, or even a secondary vehicle without breaking a sweat. Coupled with an Eaton 12-speed automated transmission, this motorhome delivers smooth shifting and solid control on highways or mountain roads alike. Step inside, and you'll see where this rig really redefines the motorhome experience. The interior is spacious, thanks to the extended chassis and raised roof. You get over 8 feet of headroom and a full-length slide-out that nearly doubles the living area when parked. The design blends rugged durability with refined comfort. Think leather captain's chairs, soft close cabinetry, and real wood finishes. The T2000 includes a full kitchen, featuring an induction cooktop, convection microwave, deep stainless steel sink, and a full-size residential fridge. It's paired with solid surface counters and plenty of smart storage tucked into every possible corner. Opposite the kitchen, you'll find a lounge area with a 50-inch 4K smart TV and a wraparound leather sofa that converts into a guest bed. Moving to the rear, there's a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, and vented washer-dryer combo. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with underbed storage, dual wardrobes, and blackout shades, all backed by premium insulation that keeps the space quiet, no matter what's going on outside. On the tech side, the 2025 T2000 doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with a touchscreen control center for lighting, climate, and battery systems, as well as solar panels on the roof, feeding a 1,500-watt inverter and a 1,200 amp-hour lithium battery bank. Add in satellite internet capability, 5G hotspot integration, and multiple USB-C ports throughout, and this rig is ready for off-grid life or remote work on the go. Driving the T2000 is a surprisingly pleasant experience. Air ride suspension and premium noise damping give it a smooth, quiet ride. The high vantage point, large mirrors, and camera system provide excellent visibility, and adaptive cruise control makes long drives more manageable. Price-wise, you're looking at a premium package starting around $385,000, depending on customization. It's a serious investment, but for those combining life on the road with comfort, power, and self-sufficiency, the T2000 delivers in spades. That wraps up our hands-on look at the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome T2000. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling command center, a luxury apartment, and a workhorse all in one. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. See you on the road.